So to recap where we left off about PVC on older houses, we got a house here from the 1850s. Somebody decided to put in PVC trim. Well, the heat difference from the expansion of the PVC, the paint, and the wood all being different, this trim is just falling right off. So there's no way to get these two to work together. So we're gonna strip back all the plastic, put in wood, and then they'll expand and contract at the same rate and won't start popping apart like this. And if this were exposed to water, this plastic would be holding water along the wood and it would rot the door as well. These squares originally would have had like a back bevel. They would have went back at an angle from here back. This wouldn't have been there. So they tried to change the look of this door to try to modernize an original door. It's got all the wooden mortise and tenon joints. You've got all the old latches from all the years past. So that door is totally original. They just tried to modify it and it didn't work.
Hey, hi, how are you? I've been trying to find you.
Now this original pine door has fresh pine trim on it. It'll all be caulked and primed and sealed. But now the wood will work together, whereas the PVC, with the wood behind it, the moisture from the wood actually is what pushes the PVC off. Perfect example of how PVC doesn't work with older homes. Sometimes older houses, it's not gonna work unless you do the whole thing PVC.